Welcome to Newark, Ohio, home headquarters to the Longaberger Company, an American manufacturer of handcrafted maplewood baskets. But it's not necessarily what's on the inside of the building. It's the larger-than-life outside facade that makes this a must-stop on your Ohio roadside attraction bucket list. And it's right here behind me. There it is. The largest basket in the world. In Newark, Ohio. Oh! Maddie's here for the trip. Yep. Let's go check it out. The 180,000 square feet building cost $30 million to construct, and it was completed in 1997, and it's 7 stories tall. It's topped by 2 steel handles, each weighing 75 tons, which are fitted with heating elements. Do you know why they heat the handles, Maddie?
Why?
Because the ceiling is made out of glass. So if they get a bunch of ice on the handles and it melts and crashes into the ceiling, that would be a problem. It also has 2 Longaberger tags up there, you can see, measuring 25 feet long by 7 feet tall. Yes. I love these old lights here. What I can't figure out is why Ohio hasn't protected this abandoned building under the Register of Historic Places. There should definitely be some kind of historical plaque here. In its heyday, the Ohio-based basket manufacturer recorded $1 billion in sales and employed more than 8,200 people. But unfortunately, due to economic decline, the 45-year-old Longaberger Company had ceased operation in May of 2018, followed by a bankruptcy liquidation of the company's assets in October of the same year. Plans were announced to turn this building into a 150-room hotel. But unfortunately, due to the coronavirus pandemic, those plans have been canceled. And now the building is back up for sale for $6.5 million. Well, that's going to do it for today. Special thanks to my daughter Maddie for coming out and checking this place out with me. I told her we were going to the outlet mall, so I tricked her just a little bit. So I better get her there. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.